The Madhya Pradesh Vidhan Sabha or the Madhya Pradesh Legislative Assembly is the unicameral state legislature of Madhya Pradesh state in India. The seat of the Vidhan Sabha is at Bhopal, the capital of the state. It is housed in the Vidhan Bhavan, an imposing building located at the center of the capital complex in the Arera Hill locality of Bhopal city. The term of the Vidhan Sabha is 5 years unless dissolved earlier. Presently, it comprises 230 members who are directly elected from single-seat constituencies. The history of the Madhya Pradesh legislature can be traced back to 1913, as the Central Provinces Legislative Council was formed on 8 November of this year. Later, the Government of India Act 1935 provided for the elected Central Provinces Legislative Assembly. The first elections to the Central Provinces Legislative Assembly were held in 1937. After Indian independence in 1947, the erstwhile province of Central Provinces and Bihar, along with a number of princely states merged with the Indian Union, became a new state, Madhya Pradesh. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.